Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bloomberg for terminal access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Bloomberg for terminal access, begin by ensuring you have a valid Bloomberg account. Locate the Bloomberg Terminal on your computer or access it via an authorized device. Launch the Bloomberg software. Once the application has opened, you'll be prompted for your login credentials. Enter your Bloomberg username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a prompt for your authentication code. Open your authentication app or SMS that provides your code. Input the code into the provided field. After entering the code, click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the system to process your credentials. If successful, you will be directed to the Bloomberg Terminal dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password for accuracy. In case of forgotten credentials, follow the instructions to reset your password. For further assistance, consult Bloomberg's customer support. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the terminal interface. Explore the various functions available to maximize your use of the terminal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.